Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech, guys. Today I have a Citycolor. This is the Citycolor. You see, so one side working, other side is not working. So you can see, guys, here is the two connection is broken. So now I will open this, and first one red, the other one the yellow ground. So I will connect and check. It's like this connection here. Also the ground is removed, you can see. So I will kind of reconnect all this connection, guys. You can see now I have to connect two power supply, and two power supply have the light. You can see both of side, and both of light is working. This one working, also then this one working perfectly. See, so it was the problem. This is the new Citycolor. The problem was the connection is lost. So thank you, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you. See, guys, working both of side. So thank you. How to open this? You need a Allen key, like this, and this size. You can open all the screw in the back side, and you can see this power supply section is open. So don't open any other side, just open this and check the power supply connection. Thank you.